poppin', my goons? Want to hit you with some quick game. This book right here, check this out. Credit Repair to Credit Millionaire, Donna L. Fox. It's easier to borrow $10 million than it is to earn it, right? You feel me? This book is a game changer, man. It's a thick motherfucking book, man. This book right here, give you all the motherfucking game you need for the credit game, my goons. Look, this book is official. So, this book, reading this book got me in motion to get bands. Within 1 year, after reading this book, within a year, this shit changed my life, bro. No cap. This book changed my motherfucking life. This is one of the greatest books I ever read in my whole life. No cap. This is a life-changing book, my goon. This book will get you rich. This book will get you rich, my goon. So, business credit is next. So, credit game for the goons 2.0. Business credit. That's what we on. Tap in.